BETEE, world's first portable 3-in-1 coffee maker. BETEE conveniently gives you the flexibility to enjoy your coffee with its lightweight and portable design. It keeps the freshness and full flavor of the whole bean, taking back your time and easily brew when and where you want. Featuring ceramic burr elements in the grinding mechanism to dissipate the heat during the grinding process, preserving the coffee oil for a greater taste. Traditional coffee makers on the market, none of them offer you with the mobility to brew fresh coffee on the go. Offices are all about productivity, and productivity is all about coffee, which basically means automatic single-cup coffee machine makes a lot of sense. BETEE can be started easily with a single touch, and it will stop automatically after grinding. For outdoor coffee geeks, it's hard to make a cup of fresh coffee. With the versatility and portability, BETEE is an essential road trip coffee machine that fits your lifestyle. BETEE's built-in 1200 mAh battery holds a full charge for up to 20 times continuous use. Quick charging from the power bank, laptops, and car chargers via Type-C adapter.
Hey Indiegogo, meet BETEE, the hypertech sneakers for your post-quarantine life. BETEE is made of fully eco-friendly materials, and it comes with multiple layers technology and fluid blades. BETEE is crazy light and breathable. With the strong adaptive stretch knit on the outer layer, BETEE fully adapts to your feet, making you feel as walking or running on the cloud. BETEE ensures a free airflow for your feet, keeping them fresh and clean. A moisture-wicking core makes BETEE water-resistant. BETEE will protect your feet from dirty raindrops or big ponds. Also, get your BETEE smartphone. With elasticity foam technology, it takes the shape of your feet, making your experience with BETEE exceptional. With its combination of practical features and design, BETEE also has spine support for your back. The fluid blades technology gives maximum shock absorption. BETEE provides heel fixation and toe assist to make your experience of walking as comfortable as possible. BETEE are the hyper-tech sneakers, which proves to be perfect for all occasions. Pre-order your BETEE now on Indiegogo with a reduced price and a limited free shipping option.
A multifunctional shovel to protect you in this dangerous world. Get ready to test yourself when survival is calling with BAHA. Every specialized tool you need for non-urban life in one shovel. Easy to use, easy to adapt. Dig and smile. Chop. Hammer. Cut down. Screw and cut metal with eternal pleasure. Equip yourself to survive the moment. In any place, in any wild conditions, on the ground, underwater, and on the road, BAHA will save your life and solve any life problem.